so the RTU is not working again. Set to 71, 80. It says do not touch, don't touch. It's set to 71 on hold, but it's 80 degrees in here, so it's not working. So let's go over here and find out why. Lord Jesus. This is the same unit that had that fire problem, which they came out and fixed it, and my meter is still here. I knew I left that meter there, so I'm surprised it's still there, actually. I was, hold on, I'm winding the cables. My GoPro went dead because I already did another video of shit. So I'm climbing up the ladder here, see, grabbing onto these rungs. And you got the roof hatch, which is not latched because it's a pain in the ass when it is. Alright, here we go. So that's the RTU unit right there, see? So y'all have seen it before in my other videos. Well, see, my GoPro went dead. I don't know how good this video is going to turn out, but I just changed the filters in it the other day, and what I really want to do is I'm going to come across here, and I'm not stepping on the stuff here, guys. Well, maybe a little bit. Oh, hold on. Alright. I had to take a big leap and put my other foot over there. So I just changed the filters to this unit. They're up in there. And after I did that, now it's not working. Why? Why is it not working, Jeffrey? Well, I probably should have brought some. I gotta go back over now. Hold on. Yeah. I have to spread so damn wide. So stupid. There we go. Hot. Hot, 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 hot. So, yeah, so the disconnect's over there where you just saw it. So, yeah, Joe, I'm gonna run this in high head pressure for a second, all right? Again. Come on. Damn package units are not working. It's my second one today. It's just not working. I don't hear the compressors on. So I don't think it matters if I open this or not. But how are you gonna know if you don't open it, right? Probably because I'm putting bleeded filters in them. Damn thing, get off of there. Dude, the screw is stuck in there. Get your ass out of there, thank you. Goodness gracious. I don't hear the compressors, but that doesn't mean anything really. Oh yeah, that came off smooth as crap. Alright, there you go. So, pull this off a little bit. It's gonna run in high head. You're right, Joe. This is going to run this unit in high head pressure. Yes. 1 second, guys. Let me get this panel off. Shit, well, it sucks. Better turn off the unit. Look at this. circuit. Oh, crap. We got something not working here. This isn't heat or something. That thing's hotter than shit. This one's cold. We got one circuit in cold, one circuit that'll evaporate water in an instant. Look at that. That thing is hot. So, we might have that just shut down right there. Maybe I do need to put some gauges on it. Each circuit needs some gauges. Let's see what happens. I'll go get my gauges just to satisfy y'all's guys' needs. You know, it just shut back on. It just came back on. It's getting extremely cold again. And yeah. So this one's short cycling, it seems like, because of the high head pressure of this one, probably. So if anything, I need to shut down this compressor. Maybe I have it halfway. As you can see, there's the upper coil. Right here, the upper coil. That's running off of this one. The second coil is running off of this one. And it's not sweating back. It's not doing any of that loveliness. So, yeah, let me go get some gauges and we'll put some gauges on it to satisfy you guys' needs. Love to see how, you know, what we're dealing with here. But, yeah, that's hot as fire. And this one's obviously way hot as fire. That thing is about to melt hot. That thing, wow. And this is not cold at all. It's just hot. So, yeah, before anything goes into high head, that's probably one that's kicking off. This damn door's open. Need to seal it back up. Thanks for mentioning that, Joe. I didn't mention that in my other video. I need to go get my meters. Yep. Alright, so still with me? Okay, cool. So, what I need to do, I'll put my meter, my drill down there in the shade. The case is back on it. It can do whatever it wants to do, but yeah, it's probably popping out on high head or something, and probably a leak or something. So, either way, it's something probably I can't fix, to tell you the truth. It'll probably be our AC company coming out and looking at this. But I do kind of want to check the simple things and give them a somewhat of a place to, you know, go. Not just be that guy that's, I think it needs a little bit of Freon, you know. I want to actually say, before I say that, I want to be the guy that says, I think it needs a little bit of Freon, and it really does need a little bit of Freon. So, let me go get my gauges, my smart probes, and we'll be back. I don't know how long my GoPro is going to last filming that, but I'm going to need the phone to be filming, not filming, but using the app on my phone for the smart probes. So we'll see, guys. Hopefully we'll be back here. All right, guys, so I got a little bit of battery left in my GoPro, but there you go. There's the numbers. I didn't put the temperature probes on them. There's no point. I just want to check the pressure on that low side, and the low side's 33 degrees. I mean 33 and 132. It's obviously low. It's leaking from somewhere. There's no reason to continue any further with this unit. Our AC guys are right over there. They've been working on a whole replacement for one of our units. Then the other guy was called to work on some other unit, and now they have been called back already, and while they were here they were called, and they're over there on the roof right now, and they're working on the one I just did the drain on, because I said there's a little bit of oil, somebody needs to check it out on the accumulator or whatnot. So there's your numbers right there, guys. If you can see that, 33 degrees, I mean 33 psi. There's no reason to put these little testo pipey clamp things on it. We already know it's low, right? All right, cool. Because the superheat for that, I mean the subcooling for this thing is probably, you know, I don't know. I haven't looked at the tags yet, but that definitely is not right. Correct? We can all agree with that. So circuit 2 is definitely going haywire right now, which is causing circuit 1 to pop off into you know, low or high head rather. Trying to be technical and be correct in my information here, but yeah, this is not going to work, and it doesn't matter if I put those proby things on it or not. So what I'm gonna do is probably just put a screw in it just to hold the panel up there for if it ever does cut off. I doubt it, but that's what you got right there, guys. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. There's nothing I can do. We don't have Freon on the property, even 410A, and I probably wouldn't charge it anyway without getting the leak fixed first. Back up here. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. This is one of those AC videos where I don't fix it. You know, there's no point. There's not even a point at it. Oh shit! Hey dumbass, get the damn gauges out of there. That would work. So get my gauges out of here. Back on. Put these caps back on. And we'll have a nice day. Those guys will come back out here and fix this. They're probably going to come up the roof hatch any moment now. But yeah, that's just warm as can be, and that's as hot as fire. That's hot as fire, that's cold as can be. So this one I think is working fine. I'm not going to put gauges on it. There's no need to do that. This one is hot as fire. So let me close this back up. It's going to be popping off on my head here again. One screw in it, because I already know those AC guys are going to be right back in here, and that's all I'm going to do. Come out here and look at it maybe tomorrow. It's not a real big emergency or anything. It's just for a hallway unit. Y'all have seen it before with the fire detector system. That was a real popular video, but now it actually does have a problem. So I'm gonna test those, put those away. Man, that one is freaking still hot. Hot as it can be. So just stow these away in my pocket. Get my meter, my screwdriver. So we'll just leave that for the HVAC company. I mean, I can't charge a unit, so well, it looks like they might be done over there. So that's low, 39 psi. So when I see them, I'm going to let them know that this RTU is going to be one of their next work orders to go. My battery's about dead, guys. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a great day. Thanks again. I cannot thank you enough for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Y'all have a good day and stay safe.
Wang, wang, wang.